Hello friends, welcome to a new vlog on the channel. In this episode, we will learn how to identify the symptoms of a clogged or faulty fuel filter, since this component can cause problems that you might confuse with other sensors. So watch the video to learn how to identify when this component is failing. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so YouTube can notify you whenever we upload a new video. Now, without further ado, let's get started. The fuel filter is a very important component in all engines, both gasoline and diesel, since it is responsible for filtering all the impurities that could cause damage to the vehicle's fuel injection system. The failure symptoms that a clogged fuel filter with impurities can cause are difficulty starting the engine. The car stalls at low RPM. Loss of power. Problems when accelerating. Engine jerking. Intermittent misfires in the engine cylinders. These problems occur because the fuel flow is affected since the filter becomes clogged with impurities. This can also contribute to the fuel injectors becoming clogged with dirt. Generally, this filter is located near the fuel tank or sometimes in the front part of the vehicle, but it must always be in series with the fuel supply line to the injectors. To solve this problem, it will be necessary to remove the fuel filter and tap it firmly with your hand. If you notice that the gasoline coming out of it is dark or black, it is very likely that the filter needs to be replaced. You can also blow through the filter. If you notice that it is very difficult for air to pass through to the other side of the filter outlet, it is clear that the filter is clogged and must be replaced. After replacing the fuel filter, it is highly recommended to replace the injector microfilters as well as perform an ultrasonic cleaning or use fuel injector cleaner in order to remove impurities from this component. The other filter or strainer that you should check is the filter located inside the fuel pump, since when it becomes clogged, it can also cause the failure symptoms mentioned earlier. To replace the internal filter, you'll need to remove the entire fuel pump assembly from the fuel tank. If you notice that it is clogged with dirt, you will need to replace it with a new one. After replacing both fuel filters and you notice that the problem continues, it is necessary to check the fuel pump pressure since the same dirt may have damaged the pump. If you observe that the pressure is too low or unstable, it is very likely that the fuel pump is damaged and you will need to replace it. I recommend watching the next videos where you will learn how to identify power supply voltages, failure symptoms, and solutions for all the sensors in your vehicle.